Alrighty, as you guys know, Ethereum Stake is a smart contract. I like to say it's an intelligent smart contract because it keeps on making Ethereum for a person. This contract is in a perpetual loop of creating Ethereum. Each user buying and selling stake tokens will directly create more Ethereum for all users. Alright, so to break it down quite simply, it is a decentralized smart contract. So there is no owner, there is nothing, it is on the blockchain. What's nice is basically there is deflation on the smart contract itself. So I think that will prevent it from stagnating. All your smart contracts back in the day, they would stagnate, or the user interface, the server wasn't big enough basically to withstand all the volume coming in and out. And most of them just pulled the plug. So it is verified on Etherscan, which is great. No human intervention, like I explained, and they are audited. You're more than welcome to check them out on GitHub as well. When you are in this contract, all right, so it's ether in and ether out. No need to swap tokens or anything, because your stake one tokens that you do purchase is equivalent to the Ethereum. And I think that's a simple way, especially if you don't want any hassles or swapping or anything like that, or just accumulate your Ethereum. So let's check this out. So there's 5 levels of dividends and rewards. When you're adding liquidity, all right, when you come into the contract and you buy your stake one tokens, 10% exchange fees are distributed to all users based on the percentage token held by each user. All right. It's not about how many tokens you got, it's about the percentage in the contract that you hold when you are on the contract. It is still very new, and I do feel that Ethereum is definitely going to be showing us a thing or two in this coming months and years. So I would definitely highly recommend the smart contract. When removing liquidity, when you sell your tokens, so you can sell your tokens as well, 10% penalty charged and distributed to all users based on the percentage token held by each user. When a new user joins the smart contract via your affiliated link, so each person gets affiliated link, so that's also just a bonus. It's nice also to be rewarded when you do share potential growth and amazing projects out there. 5% is distributed as an affiliated dividend. All right. When rebalancing the smart contract, it's called stake rewards, big payday. So basically, when Ethereum reaches 2% on the smart contract, you will have the option to sell plus minus 25% of your token holdings, and that will automatically cause deflation on the smart contract. So that's why I say, and I mean, the minute you do that, you providing basically liquidity for the contract and sustainability, and for this to actually carry on. And it won't stagnate, basically. So stake token holders receive a stake reward for rebalancing the smart contract. If this does not, I'm going to go read the contract's the layout. So say now your 2%, it doesn't reach 2%, then you think, so this big payday will never come. There is on the code, there is written basically a trigger that on day 500 it will basically execute this setting, which is great. So even though if it does not reach 2%, which I am pretty sure it will, the contract will do that for you every 500 days. When having 3 or more active users with 10 or more tokens linked to your affiliated link, you will receive a monthly affiliated reward from that. So you can collect that basically in the end of the month. Every end of the month, that's like a pay. Like if you are working for a boss and you're working for a paycheck, that's a nice way to accumulate money as well. Like every month you'll get paid. That's what's nice of this contract. I really do enjoy it. I do see it as a complete passive. So you don't have to work the project, right? But obviously if you do, I mean, who wouldn't want a monthly payday? I do. So how does this work? So you'll obviously have to have a metamask on your desktop. You can just go to Google Chrome and get the extension, metamask extension, and fund it with Ethereum. And once it's funded with Ethereum, you would use, down in my description box, I'll send the link where you basically connect your metamask to the contract, and then you are able to purchase your own stake tokens. All right. On their website, you can actually check all the tutorials, how it's done. Guys, like I say, I think we like 53 users currently on the contract. And they do have a Discord, so you're more than welcome to see what's going on in the Discord channel as well. Let's go to my contract. So if you do hop on board, it will basically look like this. Let's just quickly refresh here. What's nice is this contract even shows you how much your gas fees will be. You can play around different gas fees on different prices. The EIP 1559 did launch yesterday, so I'm pretty sure that we'll see this gas fee coming more down. I'm pretty sure about that. So Ethereum price right now is $2,774. Okay, your stake one tokens for one of these tokens, that's basically equivalent, is $2.96. Okay, for one. So I would always recommend somebody buying at least more than 10 of these. What's nice of the contract, there is no minimum buy-in, but I mean, it's so affordable to climb on this contract, it's not even funny. All right, and then obviously if you do choose to sell, you'll be selling at a little bit of a lower price, and you are more than welcome to exit the project anytime. So basically what you got into the contract, you can withdraw instantly back into your metamask. No locked up funds, any nonsense like that. So I found that that's very safe, and people do like that. There's too many scams and platforms out there where you give your money but you'll never get back. Alrighty, let's see here. So my total investment inside is $1,247. Alright, I have withdrawn my initial investment probably like 6 times or something like that. Currently in the smart contract there is 49.5657 Ethereum. That's inside the contract right now. You'll see people coming in and out, so this will always be changing. Alright, and then the contract's total supply. What's nice of the contract is they've actually got the stake one tokens. There is 300, how much is it? I think it's 300,000 tokens basically locked up for 100 years. So that is nice because that's safe. And your rewards, like everybody will think that it's like a Ponzi scheme, because why must I refer someone? You're doing that for yourself. You're not doing that for anybody else. So or they want the opportunity or they don't. They'll eventually wake up and jump on board. But what's nice about this is that besides the fact that there's locked up tokens into the smart contract, it gives a little bit more support and, like I said, sustainability. Alright, so every month I am receiving a dividend because I've got more than 3 people underneath me, and it doesn't really matter whether they're still on there or not. I can't see who is beneath me, which is also nice, and it's completely anonymous. Alrighty, so basically if you do jump on board, you're going to connect your metamask, and then you're gonna put here the amount of Ethereum that you want to buy. Then you press buy, you'll confirm with your metamask for the transaction, and you'll just refresh, and then by analytics you can see how many tokens you will be holding on the contract. But like I said, this is so nice because it's generating me not just a monthly income, but it's generating me, even though I've withdrawn everything that I have actually invested so many times, I still have $1,247 in the contract. Alright, and I'm getting a monthly reward. You are allowed to reinvest, so there is a compounding thing inside here as well, so you can reinvest, or you can sell some tokens, or you can, if you press retire, you can actually exit the entire contract, and it will be reflecting in Ethereum in your metamask, which is quite nice. I like that. It's very simple. Over here, days to pay out, so it will show you exactly how many days every time you withdraw whatever, it will reset. Every month it resets, so once that is on 0, I would be able to claim my rewards or withdraw it or reinvest and do as I please. I see this as a great opportunity when it comes to passive and active passive. Like I said, if you're active passively, obviously the contract belongs to every member of the contract. So whoever climbs in or out, it really actually doesn't matter because we're all in this together. So 10% dividends is divided in that way. So we all do get a share of the honeypot. And then like your stake rewards, like I explained, as people come in and out, you would be getting like your stake rewards, which is great. the inflations, it will tell you exactly your inflation is now 0.1069. Once this reaches 2%, you are allowed to deflate. You see over here, you can deflate the contract if you wish to. A lot of people won't, but a lot of people will as well, because they want to have obviously the benefit of those stake rewards at the end of the day. And it's quite simple. Like I said, I've been speaking about Ethereum Stake since basically it was like 30 days ongoing, and I don't see any flaws. It's executing exactly what it says it must do. If you go to analytics, it will tell you basically where's all your dividends coming from. Like I did explain, you do get five ways of dividends in total. If you go to information, you guys are more than welcome to go check the smart contract address is there. And the stake one tokens, you are more than welcome to go check on the Ethereum on the Etherscan. This will exactly explain to you, if you read through here, exactly what I told you guys about the 5%, the 10%, and where that money is coming from. So the other thing is why this is not a Ponzi scheme is because this 5% is actually irrelevant to anything. Your rewards, your monthly affiliated rewards, isn't really coming from the members coming in. It's coming from that locked up tokens, which is great because I think that that's more secure, and it's not, your contract's not jeopardized by members. It's completely decentralized, which I really do enjoy. I know it might sound a little bit boring, and maybe it's not wow and all that stuff, but this contract has been accumulating a lot of revenue monthly without literally doing anything. I do speak about it because I do feel that this is an opportunity to actually grow your Ethereum. So add onto your Ethereum every month. You can cash out your Ethereum and grow your contract on your own. Well, I hope that this was, good information. And let's quickly go check. So is the contract on Etherscan. You can actually see the transactions as they were going. People reinvest, people claim their monthly affiliated rewards, some people sell. So it's very nice. So this is your contract and basically like your own baby, which is great. And I do see potential in this contract. I must say I'm pushing for this contract because I do see Ethereum doing amazing things in the future. And I mean, it's a solid project. Ethereum is not one of these like fly-by-night tokens. The utility and the case usage in real life is currently undergo. And look, Ethereum will never be completely fixed. They'll always have things that they need to twitch up and that stuff. But as they are growing, you might as well be accumulating for the future as well. Well, I hope that this was a great video and it makes sense. If you guys got any questions, please do go down in the description box, join my Telegram, and comment down below. Tell me what you guys think about this Inteligint smart contract.